Hi there, congratulations on selecting a program with the Charter College of Education at Cal State LA. This brief tutorial will show you how to complete the program materials portion in Cal State Apply. First, we notice that we have 3 of the 4 sections complete: personal information, academic history, and supporting information. Notice for the program materials it's still blue and has 0 for 1, so let's click the program materials to complete this section. Notice the degree you previously selected. Let's click on it to complete this section. Notice there isn't anything for us to do under the Home tab, so we have to switch over to the Questions tab. All it wants is your initials, stating that you are aware that there is another supplemental application that you have to submit to your desirable program. After typing your initials, simply click Save and Continue. Our information is now saved and we have to click Close to continue. Now that we have our green check mark, click on My Application and we're done. Notice all 4 quadrants are green and it is now prompting us to submit our application. Simply submit and pay. Thanks for watching.